Did you know that in Evidence Me you can use tags to help you organise observations? Here I have an observation that I've started. I've taken a photograph to add the media to the observation, and to the right of this I've got tags. If I tap on Add Tags here, I can see tags that I've used previously. These are tags that I can use to group this observation with other observations that I've used the same tag with. For example, if I tagged this art, and later I was to filter my observations by the tag art, all the observations that I'd used that tag on would come up. These are the tags that I've used previously. Additionally, I can add a tag, so I could add the tag SEN, or I could add the tag writing, for example, on this one. So I have tagged SEN and writing. If I tap back to observation details, those are the tags attached to this observation. That's all I need to do to add the tags. Now you've created observations with tags. When you're browsing the observations using the app by filtering, if I tap on filter to the top right, I can then from these options here select observation tag and select the observation tag that I have added. So if I tap writing and then go back, that will filter out just the observations that I have tagged writing. Moving away from the tablet device and into the web suite, here are the observations on my home page. At the top of these I can edit the filter and apply the same thing, observation tag at the bottom, select the observation tags that I have added and apply, and that will filter out just the observations with those tags. You can also use the observation tags when you're creating reports. You can create many different reports in Evidence Me, and you can use the observation tags to generate reports on a specific group of observations based on the tags that you add. When you go into a particular report, to the top to the left you've often got this filter. If it's relevant, observation tag will be part of this, and you'll be able to select the tag that you've added or that you want to report on. You then go on and add your learners and generate the report. The report appears underneath and will be based on just the observations that you've tagged, the particular tag that you filtered.